Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully the background noise isn't too bad. My pups are it's late, they're tired, so they're kind of like whiny, crabby. Don't know, that's the best way to say it. My husky's kind of gets annoying sometimes. Love her, but you know how it is. So if you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly subscription. It's a clothing subscription. You have your own stylist, supposedly professional stylist. I don't know if you call them professional or not. They're so far I've had a good experience. You can check out my other videos. This is the Baller program. So they have different tiers. A basic, I think there's 3 levels: basic, premier. There might be another level, I'm not sure, and then the Baller program. The Baller program, you can't sign up on their website. You have to email them and specifically request for it. So it's the most expensive. It's $250 a month. There's a link below. If you click on the link and follow the instructions, please follow them you need to follow them carefully. It basically gives you a code that's good until midnight. So if you don't plan on buying it now before midnight, wait, don't click on the link because it's only good for that set period of time. So when you're ready to buy, click on the link. It's going to bring you to a website. That website's going to have a code for you that works only for you for a certain amount of time. And then it's going to have a link below that you need to click on that brings you to their website. And then go from there and select which option you want. It's going to give you $50 of extra goodies. So it also gives me an extra, I think $50, I'm not sure. It takes 45 days, and if people don't follow those specific instructions, I don't get anything. I honestly think it's a scam, but I've seen other people have gotten the goods. I've supposedly had like 7 people use my code, but so far only 1 has been successful, and I still have not actually seen anything extra come in the mail. So I don't know if that's going to come later. I will obviously post that if I get anything special or new or not that I paid for. So the Baller program comes with not just clothing. It guarantees to come with a pair of shoes. It's supposed to be over a $250 value, so you're getting more than what you're paying for. I believe it to an extent. Some of it I'm not quite sure. Some of it I think came off the thing, off like the discount bin or whatever. So we have original Adidas shoes. So this is my shoes for the month. This is June's box. It comes late, so those are pretty cool actually. So these are the Ortholite performance soles that come in these. These aren't my normal style of shoes, but these are actually pretty cool. Check them out. So if you're not familiar with these, you tell them your shoe size, your waist size, your shirt size, your pant size. Like, they ask a lot of questions. Then they also ask for like your social media, so they can kind of look at what you normally wear, what you normally post. This will actually look good with what I'm wearing now. So they take a look at everything that you normally wear. You give them what you like, what you don't like. They have predetermined like styles that you can select from as well, as far as like bold, classic, what type of pants you wear, whether they be like wide-legged or skinny jeans, or they have some options as far as what you would wear. So this is the actual, have that upside down, ThreadBeast box. So if you don't get the Baller program and you get the Premier, or I think it's a Premier, this is the box that it will come in. So if you can check it out, that's what it'll come in the mail. My first one, you can check out that unboxing, was just that. It was their second to highest level. And then I decided, hey, I wasn't the biggest fan, but they made it right. I sent it back to them. So it comes with, which I like, stickers. It comes with the ThreadBeast sticker. Sometimes it comes with a couple of them. It comes with the ThreadBeast TV Weekly, so to post a picture of what you got to Instagram or social media to tag them. Then, okay, so this is different. That's a lot of stuff in here. So the first thing it says is a level 10. It is a $48 shirt. Mind you, I don't know what those shoes cost. So this is a short sleeve shirt, like kind of like a dress shirt. I'm gonna toss this over here in the box. Then I've got the FE Teenaged, the light, a new light on Old Frontier, proudly made by immigrants in the United States of America. They are Union Teenaged. So I got a pair of jeans from them that were this same type of material. I don't know what they were thinking by sending a similar material that I'm not a big fan of. So these are made out of like, I don't know what to call this, but it's like a, I'm gonna have to ask the wife, but I'm not a big fan of like this type of pants. They're like almost like a plasticky, they're almost like a plastic material. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not like jeans. It's like, I don't know, if you throw it in the wash once, they're ruined, basically. Can't win them all. I'll be sending that one back. So you have a Pinger hat Bay. It is by We Always Win. So that's a hat. So I don't really wear hats too much. I'm not a big fan of wearing hats, so I actually told them that, but they sent a hat anyway, if that tells you anything. My daughter, though, wears my hats. A lot of these hats that come, I just give them to her. If not, I'll just send them to the Philippines in the care package, or I'm going to send them back to them. I'm not sure yet. It depends if my daughter likes it. Socks. I always love dress socks. Okay, so shirts. Bunch of different shirts in here. We got I could wear this. Zane robe. So if you didn't notice from my other unboxings, if you've watched some of the other ones, I don't know that much about fashion. That's why I'm trying this out. So that's not a bad shirt. It's just a regular t-shirt. That's long. So that's a really long t-shirt. So this is gonna hang long, which I don't mind. And there's my husky. She wants to go to bed. Then you have a plain white shirt by collared shirt by Alternative. Just says Alternative on the tag. So, and it has the side, so it's not, I'm assuming when it has this, it's not meant to be tucked in. Just wear it. I can always use casual. I wear these like casual Fridays at work. Next thing we got a, what is this? A Fila shirt. There's nothing on the back. I can wear that. A Nautica. I didn't know they actually carried Nautica. There we go. Wow, that's bold. I like that. You got your Nautica t-shirt. Some of these actually have the tags of the price. Some of them do not. Some of them, this one, you can see they cut the price tag off because they don't want you to know that they got it as a discount off of whatever website, whatever merchant they're working with. Then it's got a Diamond. I didn't know Diamond actually made collared shirts. So that's cool. Got a Diamond collared shirt. I can wear this on a Friday as well, dress casual. So overall, I like it. I'm not sure the value. And of course, they always throw them ThreadBeast stickers in there. So what do you think of this month? I don't know if I'm going to be continuing it because I really don't need that many shirts. I get so many other monthly clothing here and there. Plus, I know more of you want to see my dogs and my car more than clothing, but I just kind of try to show you different things that I try in my life. If you like it, dislike it, it's, you know, totally up to you as to whether you think it's worth it or not. But please let me know if you think it's worth it. Comment below what you think. What items did you like out of the box that you would have loved to have seen or got yourself? Do you think I should continue this or not? It's, like I said, it's $250 a month. I think it's worth it so far. Most of the clothing I might not necessarily pick out myself, but then I try it on, I like it. So, but again, thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and like I said, comment below. What do you think? What do you think of my videos? And take care. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Use that code as well in the video description. Bye. Well, link in the video description, but bye.